Hello and welcome to the Creating a Row and Column Report video. This is the second video in this series. If you haven't seen the overview video yet, you might want to watch that video first before this one to ensure that you understand the basics of the Reports module. To create a report, access the Create Report option on the Report module menu. This will initiate the Report Wizard. In this video, we'll be walking through creating a row and column report. So that's the first option we'll select. We'll be creating a report of all the contacts located in the state of New York. So we'll select the Contacts module in the second step. The third step is selecting your filters. In our case, we don't want to see all the contact records, just the ones in the state of New York and that have an account type of customer. This page is broken up into three parts: the Related Modules panel, the Available Fields panel, where you select the field from the related module you want to filter, and the Main panel, where our filters will appear once we select them. So first let's select the Primary Address State field in the Available Fields section. Since this field is in the Contacts module, we don't have to change the Related Module panel. Once we click the Primary Address State, it displays in the Main panel. Type in the state abbreviation NY and check the Runtime checkbox. The next filter is the account type, so we'll select Accounts in the Related Module panel and search for the field Type in the Available Fields panel. Once we select Type, it displays in the Main panel. Change the value to Customer and check the Runtime filter box. To go to step 4, click Next. This step is where you add the fields you want to display as column headers in your report. We want to see the name of the contact, the assigned user, the contact's email address, and the contact's primary address city. We already know that all the contacts in our report are in the state of New York, but we also want to know the specific city they're located. Once all the fields have been added, I'm going to change the label of my columns. I'd like the primary address city to be just city and name to be contact. Now I'm going to reorder the columns. To move the columns, grab the column name, then drag and drop it to the new location. So I'll move City under Contact. Then to access the final step, click Next in the Report Wizard. This is the Report Details step. First let's name our report, Contacts by State. Since Jim created this report, he is assigned to it, and we're going to leave the Assigned To set as Jim. We will allow all the users to access this report, so we'll leave the team set as global. The next option acts as an additional filter. Select the boxes to display the primary module records even if there is no data in the related module field. So for example, if a contact record meets the filters of the primary address equaling New York and the account type equaling customer, but there isn't an email address, it still will display the record. If left unchecked, the record would not display in the report. Now we're ready to save and run our report. Based on the report details and filters we selected, the report has returned 65 records. And that's how easy it is to create a row and column report. Now you try to create one on your own. Thank you for watching this Creating a Row and Column Report video. The next video in this series is creating a summation report. Thanks again for watching.